Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. Now you can see on the screen there's a 5k free funded account you should be getting in this video, and I'm sure everyone know what to do. So firstly, subscribe to the channel and you find the link in the comment section that will bring you right here to this platform where you'll be getting this bonus. Now I don't want anyone to miss out because I was thinking of dropping this video tomorrow, but then I noticed that this bonus will be ending on the 28th, and if you check today's date, today is 27, and it will be ending midnight, let's say around 12 tomorrow, and I don't want anyone to miss out on this, because if I'm to drop this video tomorrow, a lot of us will miss out on it. Now you can see the details about this software. A special reward from our giveaway partner Funded Grow. All eligible existing and new GTC process participants can claim a free 5k two-step funded trading account. So no one should miss out on this. Just click on the link you find in the comment section. It takes you to the Telegram channel, which is very, very important to avoid YouTube taking down any unregistered link. So you click on the link you find in the Telegram channel, then it brings you right here. Now this is what you'll be seeing. This is the first thing you'll be seeing on your screen immediately you click on the link. So without wasting time, if you scroll up a little bit more, you get to see details about this account. Now I'm trying not to waste your time. Now you can see the first steps. It says follow Funded Grow's official social channels, which is just their Twitter account, their Telegram, join their WhatsApp, and follow them on Instagram. Now, which is the second step you need to take, is submit your GTC pre-sales email. This is the email you use in registering. You submit it into this section right here, and then you click on submit and claim my account, which will prepare you for the expiring dates. Now you can see right here it's remaining a day and 8 hours with 70 minutes and 22 seconds right here. The closing date, which means you need to claim this account before the closing date. Now eligibility open to existing and new GTC process participant who complete all required verification steps within the claim period. Now you can see, note the 5k funded trading account is subject to Funded Growth applicable trading rules, conditions, and account terms. So you take your time, go through the platform and go through their trading account conditions, and make sure you understand them, so you don't end up meeting with some rules which they'll show in the future. Just to show you that I'm not actually promoting them, I'm just sharing this update to you guys so you can actually get a free account from them. Now without wasting time, I'm actually going to just proceed to signing up right now to complete the task by clicking on this right here. Now it's very, very important. Don't just go to Twitter and then start searching for their Twitter account. Just click on this right here that says follow, and then it takes you to your X account. It opens directly showing you their account. So you just need to click on subscribe. Just need to click on subscribe. Now you can see, wait for it to finish loading, click on follow right there. I just followed them. I don't know if there's any need for me to take a screenshot, because in case they're actually asking for a screenshot, I will come back to take another screenshot, but I just clicked on follow. Now I need to go back to the site right there. Go back to the site. Now I see right there it shows that I visited it. Now join their Telegram by clicking on join, then it brings you to their channel. Now right here you just click on join. That's done. Then you go back, then click on join their WhatsApp like that. You click on it, join their WhatsApp channel. That's very, very simple. The tasks are very simple and without stress, so I don't expect anyone to miss out on this update. So just go straight, complete the tasks, and then add your email address to the required space right there, to the required section right there, and I'm expecting everyone to actually have good news on this. So have a nice day guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.